Question number 17. In the figure, triangle ABC, DE parallel to BC, area of triangle ADE is 48 square centimeter. We have given AD upon DB is equal to 4:5. Find the area of triangle BEC या ट्रायंगलचा एरिया काढायचा. Now we know that these two triangles, triangle ADE and triangle BDE, they lies on the same base. Therefore, their areas, ratio of their areas equal to ratio of their sides. Now, area of triangle ADE divided by area of triangle BDE is equal to AD upon BDE, that is DB. AD upon DB. Now put value of area of triangle ADE 48 divided by area of triangle ADE 48 divided by area of triangle BDE is equal to 4 upon 5. AD upon DB is 4 upon 5. Therefore, area of triangle BDE is equal to, taking cross multiplication, 48 into 5 divided by 4. Dividing by 4, 1, 2. Therefore, area of triangle BDE is equal to 12 into 5 is 60 square centimeter. Now area of this triangle is 48 square centimeter and area of this triangle is 60 square centimeter. Now we have to find area of this triangle. Now area of triangle BEC. Now this triangle ADE and triangle ABC, these two triangles, they are similar triangles. These two angles are congruent, these two angles are congruent. Therefore, by a test for similarity, these two triangles are similar. Triangle ADE, now triangle ADE similar to triangle ABC. Now we know that if two triangles are similar, then the ratio of their areas equal to square of their sides. Therefore, area of triangle ADE divided by area of triangle ABC is equal to. Now area of triangle ADE, side is AD, therefore AD upon, now here area of triangle ABC, side is AB, that is AD square upon AB square. Now put values. Area of triangle ADE, area of triangle ADE is 48. 48 divided by area of triangle ABC. We have to find value of this. Area of triangle ABC is equal to AD square. AD is 4 square divided by AB square. AB is 4 plus 5. 4 plus 5. This is 4. This is 5. 4 plus 5 9 square is equal to 16 upon 81. Therefore, area of triangle ABC is equal to 48 into 81 divided by 16. Now dividing by 16, 3, therefore area of triangle ABC is equal to multiplying by 3, 243. Now आपल्याला एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल ADE माहित आहे, एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल ABC माहित आहे. आता एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल ह्या दोन्हीची ऍडिशन यामधून मायनस केली तर आपल्याला काय राहील, एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल BEC. नाउ एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल BEC area of triangle BEC is equal to area of triangle ABC minus sum of these two areas, that is area of triangle ADE plus area of triangle BDE is equal to area of triangle ABC is 243 minus into bracket this is 48 plus this area of this triangle is 16. Therefore 243 minus 108 is equal to 531 square centimeter. Therefore, area of triangle BEC is 135 square centimeter. Correct choice is D. Now question number 18. In the figure, triangle APQ, P dash B dash C dash Q and AB is equal to AC is equal to PB is equal to CQ. Find the angle congruent to angle PAQ. PAQ या अँगलशी कॉन्ग्रुएंट असलेला अँगल काढायचा आहे. Now, suppose we consider these two sides are congruent. Suppose this is 50 degree, this is 50 degree. These two are congruent, therefore its opposite angles also congruent. This is 50 degree, this is 50 degree. Then this angle, what is value of this angle? Sum of these three angles is 180 degree, 180 minus 100, that is 80 degree. Now this angle is 50 degree, these two are angles in a linear pair. Therefore, value of this angle is 130 degree. This is 50 degree, therefore this angle is also 130 degree. Now, this angle is 130 degree, these two sides are congruent, therefore sum of these two angle. Now what is sum of these two angle? 180 minus 130 म्हणजे 50, ह्या दोन्हीची सम किती 50 डिग्री म्हणजे हा कितीचा असेल 25 डिग्रीचा, हा 25 डिग्रीचा. तसंच this is 130 degree, therefore sum of these two angle is 50 degree, therefore this angle is 50 25 degree. This is also 25 degree. आपल्याला काय करायचं आहे? अँगल PAQ किती व्हॅल्यू येईल? अँगल PAQ इज इक्वल टू 25 प्लस 80 प्लस 25 इज इक्वल टू 130 डिग्री. आता ह्याला कॉन्ग्रुएंट असलेला अँगल काढायचा आहे. वी हॅव टू फाइंड कॉन्ग्रुएंट अँगल टू दिस अँगल. अँगल PAQ ह्याला कॉन्ग्रुएंट असलेला म्हणजे 130. 130 चे दोन आहेत. दिस अँगल इज 130. दिस अँगल, आता पहा अँगल ACQ दिलेला आहे का इथं पहा. ACQ इज नॉट हिअर. म्हणजे या दोन पैकी दोन्ही असतील किंवा दोन पैकी एक. ACQ नाही. दुसरा कोणता आहे? ABP. This angle ABP. Therefore, angle PAQ congruent to angle ABP. कारण दोन्हीची व्हॅल्यू किती? 130. Now question number 19. Find the value of sin 48, cos 42, cot 42 minus 1 upon sec 48. आता आपल्याला दोन्हीला सारख्या स्वरूपामध्ये बदलायचं आहे. Therefore, write down this as sin 48. Change this in the form of sin. Cos ची पेअर आपल्याला माहित आहे sin बरोबर आहे. Therefore, cos theta is equal to sin 90 minus theta. म्हणजे sin 90 minus 42, that is 48 degree. Divide by. Now pair of cot theta is with tan theta. Therefore, cot theta is equal to tan 90 minus theta. That is 90 minus 42. Therefore, it is tan 48 degree. Minus 1 upon sec theta. 1 upon sec theta is cos theta. Cos theta, value of theta is 48 degree. 48 degree. Now equal to sin 48 degree plus sin 48 degree. 2 sin 48 degree divided by value of tan 48 is sin 48 divided by cos 48 degree. Here divide by 1 minus cos 48 degree. Now taking reciprocal of this is equal to 2 sin 48 degree divided by 1 into cos 48 degree divided by sin 48 degree. Minus cos 48 degree. Here sin 1 sin 48 degree sin 48 degree get cancelled is equal to 2 cos 48 degree minus cos 48 degree. Value of 2 cos 48 degree minus cos 48 degree is cos 48 degree. Therefore, correct choice is E. Now question number 20. The incircle of triangle ABC touches the sides AB, BC and AC in the point PQ and R respectively. If AP is 7, BC is 13 cm, find the perimeter of triangle ABC. Now, the incircle of triangle ABC, suppose this is triangle ABC. The incircle of triangle ABC, suppose this is ABC, touches the circle at point P, Q and R respectively. If AP is 7 centimeter, BC is 13 centimeter, then find the perimeter of triangle ABC. Perimeter of triangle ABC. The in circle, therefore, this is the center of in circle. This is perpendicular distance. Therefore, these two parts are congruent. This is 13. Therefore, this is 13 upon 2, that is 6.5. This is 6.5. We know that if tangent drawn from any point outside the circle are of equal length, कोणत्याही पॉइंट पासून दोन टँजंट टाकले सर्कलला तर त्यांची लेंथ कशी असते, इक्वल असते. दिस इज 6.5, therefore this is 6.5. This is 6.5, this is 6.5. This is 7 centimeter, therefore this is 7 centimeter. Now we have to find perimeter. Perimeter of triangle ABC is equal to AB plus BC plus AC is equal to AB is 7 plus 6 13.5 plus BC is 13 plus AC is 13.5 is equal to 40 centimeter. Sum of this is 40 centimeter. Therefore, correct choice is C.